Hey guys, this is your friend Raphael, like the Ninja Turtle, okay? So today I like to call this the Battle of the Bars. These are all 1x4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 magnets. 1, 3, 4, 5 magnets plus 1. Okay, and all these guys can be found on Etsy shops. These are a different style of fidgets. As you can see, these guys are all 3D printed, and they are pretty fun to play with. They're not sliders, but they have different styles and different things that you can do with them that make them pretty much also fun to play with. And they're very comfortable to carry in your pocket. The first one is from 3D Printings. This is the Bar XL. As you can see, it has nothing of an XL. This one I got it when I was buying. It was the first one that I got. As you can see, it has some sliding tape in one of the sides. The other one is just the plates from the printing sheet. I got into conversation with James because from James Cooper from 3D Printings. Thank you so much, James, for this one. I appreciate the fact that you offered to just send it to me as because I requested a keychain, and just the one that has like a slider, and he said like he does not have it at the moment, but he had a Bar XL laying around there, and he just willingly offered to send it to me, so I appreciate it. That's why I like this one, and it's a beautiful one. It's silver and black, but it's kind of like metal, you know. It shines really nice, and when I am able to, I mean, you can hear the magnets. It's snappy. It's really small. It's I have the measuring tape here. This one measures 5.5 centimeters, so almost 2 inches times 1.7 centimeters. There you go for you guys, your American friends. 4 inches. It's a pretty small one. However, it is fun to play with. I love how snappy it is. Thank you so much, Jason, for this one. I appreciate it. I wish it was a little larger because I have big hands. So even though it's really nice, if you make another iteration of this one, my only advice is to make it a little thicker and large and longer. That's it. Everything else is really nice, and I think I'm still able to play with it. It's fun. It does everything that the other ones do, and it's a nice piece. Thank you so much for this one. The next one, the famous, from Fidget Toy. You know, this is a store. Here, Jason from Fidget Boy. He creates his different plates, designs on all of his fidgets, sliders, haptics, non-par, made of I think this is I don't remember the name of it. He calls this the steer wheel, something like that. I mean, I find myself doing this. However, as you can see, I have big hands, so I wish this one was longer. I mean, guys, you have to be able to make larger fidgets. I do believe that there is a king fidget that he does. But yeah, pretty small, beautiful. I love the colors, how it shines. One side blue, the other side kind of like purplish pink. And this one, I mean, I'm able to play with it. It's fun. I'm sorry, I'm lefty, so I'm sinister. So I'm able to play like this, kind of like just go. I like this one, kind of like this, kind of like never-ending. Just go there, kind of like set things in motion, just spin it around. You go 1, 2, 3, you spin it. You're able to keep going. This one's pretty fun. This one, these guys, I have a cool story about it. TheWhitePawPrints is another fidget store in. Never mind about this. This I did it myself. Another store in Etsy. So the first one that I got was this one. I thought it didn't work because, I mean, as you can see, compared to these ones, how snappy they are. These guys are very mild. They have beautiful plates. I think this one shows them better. This one is beautiful. Oh my god. This one is beautiful. The colors, I love how they shine, they change. The design is pretty similar to the fidget board, you know. And the plates are really nice. Look at this. And they're smooth. However, it's not for everyone. They're strong magnets, actually. I mean, they feel even stronger than the fidget boy. However, and I don't know if you can hear how crunchy they are, but they don't snap. I don't know why. I mean, I'm even able to do the other trick, you know, like the whirl. I'm still able to do the same tricks that I do with the fidget boy. However, the snappiness when I close it is just not there. And that's what happened with this first one. I just want to say good things about the TheWhitePawPrints. They're just, I mean, not there yet, but they will be, I'm pretty sure, because they have something really nice going on. The plates that they have, this is the first one that I got, and I tried to open it because I wanted to see if the magnets were correct, you know. I just found it was very weak. However, it must be something in the design that is just not being snappy. However, this is very nice to be able to use in the office, you know. If you just want something to be playing with, and try not to bother anyone. This is a very nice option to go on. This one's pretty cheap. It's around $7 to $9. $7 for like the random and getting the two colors or the different colors. There's like $9. This one, I don't know how much is it. I got it as a gift from James Cooper, and I appreciate it. And this one was around $40 from the Fidget Boy, one of his drops that I was fortunate enough to get it. I don't know why a lot of people didn't jump into it. It's pretty nice. And I was pretty curious about these guys too, so either way. Okay, alright guys, so I do appreciate you watching this one. Choose your favorite ones. I do find myself using all of them every once in a while. Sometimes, you know, you want different experiences, so it's not one for all. It's not one for all of them. I mean, you have different ones for different times. And that is a cool thing about the fidgeting world, because there's a place and a time for each one, so you can have a large collection and you can choose which one you're going to be able to use. I'm not going to be able to use this one when I'm at work, you know, but if I want a silent one, I can get one from the TheWhitePawPrints. They are really strong magnets and I'm able to play with it. And it snaps here. I mean, sometimes it snaps, but I'm able to do it more silently. This one, I'm able to do it silently too. Okay, guys, if you like my content, please like and subscribe. Leave your comments below and let me know. I'm always looking to improve. I'm always looking for better fidgets to review, and I know that I'm just starting, and you guys might differ from some of the things that I say here in these videos. I do welcome any feedback that you might have, and I appreciate you watching your time, taking the time to watch and learn with me with me at the same time that I do, you know. I appreciate everyone that is trying different things and different models and different systems, because there is a fidget for everyone. There's no one size fits all, because we're all different and we're humans, and that is a beautiful part of the diversity that we live in. Thank you so much for watching us.